Okay, this is part 2 to the Reading Choice Board video. The first video cut out. I exceeded my max time. So I'm going to go up to the Reading Choice Board for this week, and I'm going to click on it. So the first video showed you how to complete this one and email it to me. In fact, it showed you all of these. In this video, I'll show you how to complete this one, send it to me, and to complete and send your final 4 activities every Friday, okay? So I clicked on it and I clicked make a copy. So this is where you can design your own book cover for the book that you're reading. Once you have designed it, you just click in there and you can design it. You can play around with it. You can add images, make sure your name's there. You're going to click share. When you're done with it, you're going to click in the add people and groups, and you're going to type in cbaloo at psusd.us. Click that and send it to me, okay? So when you're done with that, that means I've shared with you every one of these activities on the choice board. Now, what do you do when you're ready to turn it in and you have your 4 activities? Well, once you have your 4 X's for the activities that you have completed and emailed or shared with me, if it's highlighted in yellow, because if you have an X there and I haven't received it, you don't get credit for that activity. You have to physically do the activity to get credit for it, okay? So once you've completed all 4 activities, one for Monday, one for Tuesday, one for Wednesday, and one for Thursday, you're just going to come up here and click share. You're going to type in cbaloo, and my name pops up, and you're just going to share it with me. Again, this is worth 20 points. 5 points for every activity. 1 activity for Monday, 1 for Tuesday, 1 for Wednesday, 1 for Thursday. If you only choose to do 1 activity, you're only getting 5 points. 5 out of 20. That will drastically make your grade decrease. Please make sure you're getting all 4 activities in.